You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this archaic verb that means to present or to display or indicate. If you want to learn more interesting English vocabulary, stay tuned. So pronunciation in English is generally as showeth, showeth. Some may pronounce it also because it's Old English, so there's going to be different pronunciations depending where it was used or how. It's also pronounced as showeth with a T sound, but generally showeth with a TH sound, showeth. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.